From childhood, we're told a simple story. Work hard, keep your head down, and you'll be successful. It's the story our parents and teachers repeat, the one we see in movies. The hero wins through sheer effort. This idea feels fair, like a meritocracy where effort equals reward. So, we follow the script: study hard, get a job, work even harder. But then reality hits. We see people working grueling jobs, construction workers, servers, teachers, barely scraping by. They're exhausted, dedicated, and yet, many live paycheck to paycheck. If hard work alone led to wealth, the hardest workers would be the richest. But that's not what we see. This disconnect leaves millions frustrated, feeling like failures for not working hard enough. The truth? The just work hard rule is incomplete. Hard work is only one ingredient in the recipe for wealth. It's like baking a cake with only flour. You need more to make it rise. The belief that effort alone leads to wealth is a myth that keeps people stuck. It's a treadmill, running faster, but never moving forward. The real question isn't, am I working hard enough, but am I working on the right things? Hard work matters, but it's not the whole story. To build wealth, you need more than sweat. You need strategy. It's time to question the story we've all believed, because if you want a different result, you need a different approach. Let's break the cycle and see what really works. Here at Money Lensz, we're not about fairy tales, we're about real talk. The first fact: the system isn't designed for the hardest worker to get rich. It's designed for the smartest worker. Respect for hard work is great, but understanding the game is what pays the bills. Your time is limited. If you only trade hours for dollars, you cap your earning potential. You can work more hours, but you'll hit a wall and burn out. The alternative? Think like an owner, not just an employee. It's a mindset shift. Know the difference between active income, you work for it, and passive income. It works for you. The wealthy build or buy things that generate income without their constant effort. They create systems that work for them. We'll show you why effort alone isn't enough, and what to combine it with to build real wealth. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about leverage, scale, and ownership. Once you see the world through the money lens, you'll spot opportunities where others see dead ends. You'll finally have a real, actionable plan for your financial future. Let's get started. The hard work trap convinces us that more effort is always the answer. Struggling, work more hours, want a promotion, stay later, need to save, get a second job. But this is like running on a treadmill, lots of energy, no progress. Imagine two people digging for gold. One digs furiously, the other studies the map first. The smarter digger finds gold faster with less effort. In our careers, most of us are just digging, hoping effort will be noticed. But if you're digging in the wrong place, you'll never strike it rich. The trap keeps you focused on the shovel, not the map. Burnout and frustration follow. The real shift? Ask, am I working on the right things? Direction matters more than speed. Without it, hard work just leads to exhaustion, not wealth. The biggest obstacle between hard work and wealth: trading time for money. Most people earn a living this way, hourly wage or salary, but there are only 24 hours in a day. You can't work more than that. Even if you double your hourly rate, you're still limited by time. To earn more, you sacrifice your life, family, health, freedom. If you stop working, the money stops. This creates constant pressure just to maintain your lifestyle. The wealthy avoid this trap by decoupling income from time. They build income streams that pay them whether they're working or not. The goal isn't a higher hourly rate, it's income that doesn't depend on your hours. That's the key difference between working for money and having money work for you. Break the time for money link, and you break the ceiling on your wealth. That's how the rich play the game. So, what do the wealthy do differently? They focus on three things: ownership, scalable skills, and systems. First, ownership. Own something that produces value: stocks, real estate, or a business. When you own assets, you earn from their performance, not your labor. Next, scalable skills. These are talents that can serve many people at once, like writing a book, creating software, or making online content. You do the work once, but it pays you over and over. Finally, systems. The rich build processes that generate income without their constant involvement. Think of a business that runs itself, or a franchise model like McDonald's. Ray Kroc didn't get rich flipping burgers. He built a system that scaled worldwide. Ownership, scalable skills, and systems. These are the pillars of real wealth. They break the link between your time and your income. The more you build these, the more your money works for you. That's the playbook the wealthy use. It's not about working harder. It's about building engines that run without you. Start thinking like an owner, not just a worker. That's how you escape the hard work trap, and that's how you build lasting wealth. If hard work = wealth is broken, what's the real formula? It's this: income x leverage x time = wealth. Income is your starting point. Money from a job, side hustle, or business. Hard work can help you boost this, but it's just the beginning. The magic is leverage, controlling a lot with a little. Financial leverage, using other people's money to buy assets. People leverage, multiplying your efforts through employees or teams. Technology, media leverage. Create once, reach millions. Then comes time. Wealth compounds when you let your leveraged investments grow. The longer you give it, the bigger the snowball. Start early, reinvest, and let compounding work for you. The real path to wealth? Increase income, apply leverage, and give it time. That's how fortunes are built. So, what can you do today to start working smarter? First, change your relationship with money. See it as a tool to build assets and systems. Learn about money, read, watch, listen, and grow your financial knowledge. Next, focus on increasing your income. Build valuable, in-demand skills. Don't just ask for a raise, learn what the market pays more for and get those skills. Use your higher income as seed money for investments. Start owning assets, even on a small scale. Invest in low-cost index funds or fractional shares. Automate your investments, make it a habit. Adopt a long-term mindset. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Ignore the get-rich-quick hype. Consistency wins. Let your assets and leverage do the heavy lifting. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. You're building a foundation for real wealth. Every smart step compounds over time. Start now, and your future self will thank you. Let's dig into leverage, your wealth multiplier. The easiest way to add leverage? Develop scalable skills. In today's digital world, you don't need a degree or big capital, just a laptop and internet. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Each piece of content is a digital asset that can earn for years. Create a digital product, an ebook, course, or software. Build it once, sell it infinitely. The cost to deliver one more copy is almost zero. That's infinite scale. You're no longer selling time, you're selling knowledge. Even in a traditional job, look for ways to create value that outlasts your hours, like building a training system or automating a process. This makes you more valuable and gives you leverage for raises or promotions. Always ask, how can I create something once that pays me many times? That's the essence of leverage. The more you build, the less you depend on trading time for money. That's how you work smarter and richer. Let's wrap it up. Hard work is honorable, but it's not the path to wealth. Respect is nice, but it won't buy freedom. The real path is smart work, knowing the rules of money and using your time wisely. Stop trading your life for a paycheck. Use your money and skills to buy assets that pay you. Shift from being a worker to being an owner. Financial education is your responsibility. The system won't teach you. Learn about investing, assets, scale, and systems. Apply the real wealth formula: income x leverage x time. Your financial future depends on your decisions, not just your effort. Work hard, but work smarter. Channel your effort into learning, building skills, and investing. Combine effort with strategy. That's how you win the game and own your future. Freedom is built, not wished for. Start building today.